think one of the biggest misconceptions people have is that they think they need to, if they're going to get more clients, run ads, run paid lead ads. They think, well, do I need to make these cringy ads that don't represent my brand the right way and kind of make me feel like I'm a, sleazy salesman or whatever? And it's a super valid concern that I think a lot of people have. But at the end of the day, you have to make ads that are authentic to you and your brand specifically. You can't make ads like other people. And so some of the best ads we've seen that perform really well with other people and other companies that we work with and some of our clients is when they make an ad that is specific to their type of market and their type of style, right? You don't have to be someone you're not, but you do have to create an ad that follows a specific framework. Because what we do, some of the pitfalls we see sometimes with people is they make these long reels and then they run them as ads and they think they're going to perform and ultimately they flop and don't perform at all. And so you have to still follow a framework where you're calling out the market, talking about a pain point, talking and agitating that pain point, talking about what you do and how you solve a problem for that market, and then calling them to action to fill out a form, book a call, become a lead, whatever it may be, right? And I think a lot of people don't do that. They think, I'm just going to completely change the process, but if you can still follow the process and still get amazing results while keeping it authentic to your brand and your business. And you have to do that. And so, for instance, like one of our clients in the medical field, they specifically work with with medical companies. They say like their ad would be something like, hey, if you're a med spa or medical business owner or dentist and you're struggling with getting more patients, you're tired of chasing leads, you're tired of relying on word of mouth, and you want a more consistent way using content to bring clients to you, this video is for you. Over the past couple of years, we've worked with this person, this person, this person to help them achieve XYZ results. And we're taking on just 5 more medical companies. If you're interested, click the link below, schedule a demo with our team, see if we can help. That'd be an example of an ad. Now, that's the format. You can film it however you want. You could do walk and talk. You can have somebody on a gimbal while you're walking down the street. You could have, walking into a dentist's office. You can make it look really pretty. You can make it look really nice. But one of the things we've seen there is sometimes people get in their head about like done. Like for us, we always say done is better than perfect. And so we always tell our clients, like, test a couple of basic versions of the ad where it's just you talking to a camera, it's nothing crazy, and then see which one performs, and then based on that make your decision on which one you go all out for, right? But sometimes we see some of the pitfalls people make is like they try to go all out. It takes months to film the ad and then they don't get it up and they can't test to see which one's working. But once you find a winning ad, you can 100% iterate on that and make it your own. So I just wanted to address that question in this short video. Hopefully that makes sense. If you guys have any questions about that or more of the ad framework, there's other YouTube videos on my channel going over the ad framework, how you can implement it, how you can script it, and hopefully that helps you. And if you want our help just implementing this, you can schedule a call below, book a call with our team, and see if we can actually help. Otherwise, keep enjoying the free YouTube videos, and we'll see you in the next one.